What we got here is a transformer change out. This unit was installed into a real tight space. Not a tight space, just backwards facing the opposite direction that I would normally like it faced to for service. As you can see, we got a transformer there, replacement. We got my little fuse popper thing over here to let's see if you can see this thing right there to the bottom right, about a meter. That's what it is, a fuse popper. That way you can put that and where the fuse goes on the unit on the low voltage side, so you won't have to be popping fuses to find out where you might be shorting from. And just for the record, that thing is literally called the little fuse popper. So I'm not just calling it a little fuse popper thing. I'm telling you, it's actually called the little fuse popper. And I'll probably do a video on it a little bit more in depth to show you how it works. It's actually a little good idea, a little neat little invention. I'll show you how it works a little bit more in depth in another video, but it's good to have. Yeah, we had a transformer issue, but since the space was so tight, I couldn't really get the good camera angles like I wanted them. So you can't really see where I was at with it, trying to work with it because I couldn't even fit my head with the camera on in the direction in that direction like I needed to be. So, but that's what this is, a quick transformer change out. We're gonna go over some of the reasons why transformers fail in this video. And before that, we'll even discuss what a transformer is and what it does, so we can get a full understanding of it. Not for those that do know, but for those that don't know. So first thing we're gonna do is cover what a transformer does. A transformer is a big piece of the HVAC system. See, it's responsible for converting voltage levels to supply the appropriate power needed for various components within the system. Specifically, it steps down the high voltage from the main power supply to a lower voltage that is safe for use by control circuits, thermostats, and other electronic components in the HVAC system. See, this ensures that the sensitive electronics receive the correct voltage to function properly. So now we discuss what it does. Let's discuss some of the things that can cause it to fail. There's a couple potential reasons why a transformer fails. Overloading. So if the transformer is subject to a load greater than its capacity, it can overheat and eventually fail. Voltage surges. Sudden spikes in voltage, often caused by lightning strikes or power grid issues, can overwhelm the transformer. Short circuits. A short circuit in the electrical system can create a surge of current that exceeds the transformer's capacity. Age and wear. Transformers, like any electrical component, have a finite lifespan, and over time, internal components can degrade and lead to failure. Environmental factors. Extreme temperatures, moisture, or exposure to corrosive substances can contribute to transformer degradation. Manufacturing defects. In rare cases, a transformer may have a manufacturing flaw that leads to premature failure. Improper installation or maintenance. Incorrect installation or lack of regular maintenance can put undue stress on the transformer and lead to failure. Faulty components. Sometimes individual components within the transformer can fail, causing the overall unit to malfunction. There's external interference, like electromagnetic interference or radio frequency interference from nearby equipment can affect the performance of a transformer also. And the last reason that I run across inadequate ventilation. See, poor airflow around the transformer can lead to overheating and reduce its lifespan.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit. I'm not taking it right now. I'm just gonna make this. gotta use everything as a stepping stone. Look, so it's all on what you wanted to do when you was racing. Yeah. It's all on what you wanted to do, you feel me? Every man was in control of his destiny, you feel me? Every time. Mm-hmm. It's up to him. It's up to him. I want that thing every day. I want it every day.
And for the record, changing out this transformer is not what's hard. The space constraint is what's making this job hard here.
Let's see what it do. I think y'all got it on already down there. Now let me see how I can a little socket so I can screw that in a little bit better. I want that